How to fix Xbox cannot create account. To fix the Xbox account creation error, you first of all have to try using a different web browser or simply use a mobile device instead of your console. So go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice, or what you can also do is tap on this three-dotted menu icon and access this incognito tab. From here you can proceed to create account by simply heading to the official Microsoft site or simply head to the Xbox website. From here, this option should be visible to you. Or what you can also do is simply download Xbox application from your device's app store, then proceed to launch it. From here, within the login panel, you will find create a new account option. You simply have to tap on it, then fill in the details such as your Gmail and your passwords and account name. Once you do so, your account will be created. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.